Alrighty, so now I am building my capstone, which is a aquaponics system. I have a wide variety of materials that I'm going to need to use for it, and this is what I'm using. First off is a 5 foot by 3 foot pallet that's going to act as a table. I use recycled wood, which is a pallet, came from my dad's warehouse, save the trees, all that. 3 by 3 foot pallet, same reason. And I have a two 2x4 pieces of lumber. These are pressure treated so they will not rot if water touches them, which is a very, very important thing when you're dealing with water, especially on an aquaponic system. I also have two 5-foot pieces of Schedule 40 PVC pipe. You'll see why I need them in a minute. I don't need the cooler, that's just in there. A 90-degree elbow for the PVC pipe, a 30-gallon tank, which obviously needs cleaning out, which will be fun. I have a huge piece of plywood, which will act as a tabletop when I put onto that pallet. Don't really need it for this one, but definitely need it for that one. Then to my small stuff, I have a water aerator, which aerates the water for the fish so they can take oxygen out of the water, breathe, the usual. I have a strip outlet. I call it a strip outlet. It's called 1,000 different things, but obviously need power when I'm plugging this up and all this stuff up. I have two 3-way PVC pipe connectors. That's going to run the PVC pipe right here, connects right there. You know how it works. I have a female adapter which plugs into my pump right here, which this is a 30 gallon per hour pump, which 30-gallon tank an hour sounds about right. So female adapter plugs into there and then plugs into the end of the PVC pipe. I have a little cap to go on the end of the PVC pipe, which now I realize I need like 2 or 3 more, so glad I didn't get enough of those. Tape measure, because you can always use a tape measure. Batteries to power the pump, that's self-explanatory. Got some aquatic plant fertilizer, basically just balances out the stuff in the water the plants need. Can't think of the name of it. Lack of a better term, plant stuff. This takes all the chlorine out of the water, which the plants and the fish do not need chlorine for. That's like drinking pool water. You obviously don't want to do that. That'll kill the plants and the fish. But out here we run on well water anyway, so that really shouldn't be a problem. I have 2 water heaters right here. Obviously this project's being done during the middle of the winter, so I need water heaters. Don't want my plants freezing, don't want my fish dying, don't want the water frozen, because that kind of defeats the purpose. I have a big plastic container. This is what I'm going to put the plants in. This is really the heart of the project. You'll see once I get the plants in there and the whole thing set up how it's going to work. But for right now, this is what I got, and in about 5 seconds you'll see what I have. It's going right there. So now time to get to building.